In one of my previous videos, I said that Anna acted out of love. I mean, she demonstrated some empathy toward other people in her darkest hour. And I think that in order to display empathy in such circumstances, you need to have some happy moments. Such moments were the charade scene and, to some extent, a conversation between her and Genial Matthias. But her empathy wasn't forced. She displayed it in the first film. She gained some power from her previous situation, used it to get to the second one, and to become interdependent, as the therapist said. Though I didn't like Frozen, either because it seemed that there weren't much rewards for her suffering, or just because those morals were better shown in other films.